We met in 1984 and I was playing with Stockton's Wing and we finished an Irish tour in Dingle. That was the last gig at the Hillgrove Hotel. So I thought I'd like to have a look around West Kerry. So I went for a session there's a fantastic pub called the Boher just down the road there.
Ní rá saoin na hí bhí Breanndán an, údar na hí seanta bhí ar caint an lána dhéagah ferraigh in mhórlaochra sémin agus sémin gitár ag bhí sé gháilte na gitár cho cruaig go fuil lena bhéanta. Haigh sí drúbleir dúirta fearr. Agus tá sé tarach fol raibh hin. Ach stóra ben lána dhéagah bhfuil leis.
He arrived to the Boher. I was there in the small bar. And it was a bit like gunfight at the OK Corral, you might say, when he walked through the door and looked me up and down. I looked him up and down. And then he got the box out. And you know yourself, when two musicians who haven't met play their first set of tunes together, it's always, for the sake of mutual respect, it's always going to be a tune that they have in common. It's always going to be one of the common repertoire of tunes. You play a few tunes together and then you do something a bit further out, That's just the natural order of things. And then Séamus started his first tune, the first tune we played. The Japanese hornpipe, a chromatic piece. I'd never heard it before. And I was really shocked, but my instant reaction was, you fecker, I'm going to chase you down. And I chased him down and I hunted him down and I stayed with him. And then he knew he couldn't shake me, you see. But his first reaction on meeting me, I'll shake this hairy hold. But there are some musicians like that. It's a kind of an ultra-competitive thing. And so that was the initial dynamic between Séamus and me. And that actually typifies what was good about us, because what was good about us was we were so completely different. You got a redneck and a hippie together, two different worlds, or as he liked to say, hairy and squarey.